Hi, good morning, everyone. So I'm super excited to give you some value in this 5 days WhatsApp class. So today is day one, and which is designed for the neck. So neck is made up of 7 vertebrae. So this is on the top of this. Starts from the cervicals, which are called cervical vertebrae, which are interlocking bones, separated by the discs, right? And these combination allows both the mobility and the stability, but that doesn't mean you are immune to occasional or chronic pain, guys. Okay? So neck pain is a nowadays is a universal problem nowadays, but when sometimes become all the time, it is vital to find a relief. So you should not live with this pain. Listen to your body. So while there are many causes, and inflammation, injuries, and overuse are far for the most common. So let's discuss at some of the most common reasons for your neck could be bothering you. So the common causes can be injury or accident where tissues or neck becomes damaged. Second cause may be excessive computer use, which is most common nowadays, where poor posture can lead to neck strain. Third reason, again using technology, smartphones, tablets, and laptops, where tilting your head down adds more than 30 kgs pressure to your neck. Fourth cause is muscle strain. This can be you must have observed when you get up from the bed early in the morning, your head starts straining, right? The mobility is less, because that might be because of their wrong sleeping posture or something like that, right? Cervical spondylosis, which occurs when the disc is in between the vertebrae in your neck, become wear down. So this increases the friction and tension between your bones, which causes the stiffness and the pain. And this becomes more common as the people age progresses, and it is the most chronic pain. Last is misalignment. So this is the very common problem. When neck bone is misaligned, it can lead to changes in the surroundings of tissues. So shoulder, when you feel some pain in the shoulder region, right here. So this is also a common problem, also related with the neck, because neck pain, trapezius. There's a muscle known as trapezius, which starts from this head till here, right? So if you're feeling the pain here, that is also related to the neck, not to the shoulders. So if somebody has a cervical spondylitis, the neck pain is coming down to the hands. So these are the area which is affected. So sometimes when the problems becomes worse, so it also creates a much more pain in your front of your neck. Okay, so there are other reasons like wrong sleeping postures. Okay, I'll be covering these good sleeping postures in the next couple of videos. So this is the most common forward head postures, which is nowadays you can observe in your especially in the kids while using the texting, tablets, using smartphones on all these gadgets. So this is what is actually the main problem. So whenever we bend 15 degrees, the amount of load comes to our neck is more than 8 kgs on every 15 degrees. Just imagine. And we actually used smartphones on this angle, which is more than 45 degrees. That adds to more than 32 kgs on our neck most of the time. So that is the most common reasons why people are having these problems. So what are the common symptoms? Sometimes people feel dizziness, fever, burning pain, headaches, night sweats, blurred vision, tiredness, and facial pain, right? So guys, please never look down on someone unless you are helping them. So this was small little information about the neck pain. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.